In the mists of antiquity, as humanity grappled with the mysteries of life and death, the quest for healing became a beacon of hope. In the fertile crescent of Mesopotamia, the birthplace of civilization, the Sumerians cultivated an intricate understanding of herbs and their healing properties. The Sumerians, who inhabited the land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers around 4500 BCE, were the first to document the medicinal uses of over 1,000 plants in their cuneiform tablets. These tablets, inscribed with the wisdom of generations, served as a testament to their profound wisdom and reverence for the power of nature. One such tablet, the Kahramanmaras tablet, detailed the use of a concoction made from a variety of herbs to treat ailments ranging from fever to worms. The tablet, dating back to 1800 BCE, is considered one of the oldest known records of herbal medicine. In Egypt, during the Old Kingdom, 2686 to 2133 BCE, the Egyptians were also avid users of herbal remedies. The Ebers Papyrus, a medical text dating back to 1550 BCE, outlines over 800 prescriptions for various ailments, including a recipe for a poultice made from garlic and onions to treat mouth ulcers. In ancient China, the Xinneng Ben Chao Jing, a foundational text on Chinese herbal medicine, was compiled during the Han Dynasty, 206 BCE, 220 CE. The text, attributed to Emperor Xinneng, detailed over 365 medicinal herbs, including ginseng, ginkgo, and ephedra. In ancient Greece, Hippocrates, known as the father of modern medicine, also advocated for the use of herbs in healing. He believed that the way to health is to have an aromatic bath and scented wine to drink. His works, written around 400 BCE, laid the groundwork for the field of herbal medicine. From the Sumerians to the Egyptians, the Greeks, and the Chinese, the pursuit of healing through herbs was a universal pursuit. The ancient world's reliance on herbal medicine was a testament to their deep connection with nature and their unyielding determination to understand the secrets of the universe. Today, herbal medicine continues to play a significant role in healthcare, serving as a reminder of our ancestors' wisdom and our shared history. The roots of herbal medicine, though ancient, remain deeply intertwined with our understanding of healing and the interconnectedness of all things.